Hey guys, it's Sarah Mills. I wanted to share with you guys just a few life lessons I've learned in my short 30 years here on Earth. My first lesson would be do everything you do with the best of intentions. Even the biggest mistake that you could possibly make doesn't seem so big if you did it with the best of intentions. Secondly, sorry's just a band-aid if your actions don't change. If your actions don't change, then you didn't truly mean sorry, and you're just biding your time until you make the mistake again. And my last life lesson would be you don't owe anyone an explanation for your boundaries. Boundaries are set in place to protect you, and you don't owe anyone an explanation for those. So again, 30 years isn't a long life. But these are lessons that I didn't learn until later that really would have helped me if I had learned them much earlier. So I hope you guys enjoy and have a wonderful rest of your day.